While invisible and imperceptible, the air we breathe at home or at work carries countless contaminants and microorganisms that can pose a risk to our health. This is why it's so important to ensure excellent indoor air quality by eliminating contaminants such as bacteria, viruses, dust particles, allergens, and unpleasant smells from the environment. To do this, Mitsubishi Electric has created Plasma Quad Connect, the new accessory perfect for all residential, cassette, and ducted air conditioning systems produced by the brand, whether new or already installed. Not compatible with products over 10 years in age. The new Plasma Quad Connect filter only needs a simple electrical connection to the indoor unit. How does Plasma Quad Connect improve air quality? As air flows through the indoor unit, ionized plasma is generated by a special process, releasing OH- free radicals. These ions are attracted to the outer walls of bacteria and viruses and break down their protective membranes, rendering these microorganisms inactive. At the same time, the system also generates particles with a positive electrostatic charge, which sticks them to any particulate larger than PM 2.5 and dust. The plasma electrode generates a negative electromagnetic field on the filter mesh, which captures and traps the positively charged particulate, PM 2.5. The result is cleaner, odor-free air. Laboratory tests have demonstrated that Plasma Quad Plus and Plasma Quad Connect inhibit 99.8% of the SARS-CoV-2 virus and 99% of other bacteria, molds, and viruses. The system also neutralizes 98% of allergens, such as pollen. It captures 99.7% of mites and dust and 99% of airborne particulate smaller than 2.5 microns in size. It eliminates unpleasant odors. Plasma Quad Plus or Plasma Quad Connect high-efficiency filtration systems approved by the Spanish Society of Allergology Clinical Immunology. The Plasma Quad filter reduces exposure to allergens, viruses, and bacteria that can aggravate allergic symptoms by up to 97%. That's because Mitsubishi Electric is synonymous with air quality.